Okay, please respond someone quickly. My voice is okay, guys? Perfect. Okay. All okay, right? Yes, 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 yes. Now I'm getting quick answers. Okay, all good. Great. Now we'll start with option Greeks. Hope you all have pen and your notebook. Now we'll go with option chain. Sorry, option Greeks. Okay. So option Greeks. Option Greeks. Why we are using option Greeks? Because we have to learn which option, call or put we have to buy. Which call and put is in our radar, or we can say on our uh, we can say on our investment, which is the perfect option we can buy. If we know that market is going upside, then which call is good? If market, we know that market is going down, if you want to buy put, so which put we have to buy and which call we have to buy. Okay, so let's start option Greeks. Option Greeks having four types. Hope everybody knows that delta, gamma, theta, and vega, right? But the most important option Greek is delta. Option Greeks, delta is the most important part. Most important, you can see, you can say that most important parameter. Most valuable, you can say most valuable is delta. Will stretch delta only, max which will stretch delta. Okay, so what is delta? Delta, what delta denotes actually? Delta denotes the impact of change in the price of underlying. What delta denotes? It denotes the change in the price. Example, if Nifty, what is the current market price of Nifty? CMP of Nifty, 11,922, I guess, right? What's happening? Okay, current price of Nifty is 11,922. Okay, we'll check examples now. What delta denotes? It denotes the impact of change in price of underlying. So we'll take example, Nifty CMP is 11,922, and you know that Nifty will go towards 12,000. Nifty will go towards 12,000, and you want to buy call. My audio lost, guys. Audio correction, okay, guys, because I'm getting some. My voice is okay. You can hear you, okay. Now, now everything is okay. Now everything is okay. Yes, now we can hear. Screen is okay? Okay, great. So current market price is 11,922 and you know that market will go towards 12,000. So which call will buy? If you want to buy options, so which option you should buy? So you are here now, right? 11,950 call rate is 50. 12,000 call rate is 32.5. 12,100 call is 13 rupees. 12,200 call is only just 4 rupee, 7 rupee. So what do you think, guys? Which call is good to buy? You are here now, so which call you will buy? First, I'm not asking any question. If you want to buy, which call you will buy? Sanjay say 11,950, 11,950 ATM, far fast, 11,950, 11,950. Okay, 11,950. Called it is 50. Okay. So what delta says now? What delta says? Delta denotes the impact of change in the price of underlying. Means what? If if Nifty goes to, example, Nifty current market price is 20, example. Okay. If Nifty goes to 11,950, okay, 30 point plus. So you say 11,950 call is good to buy. 11,950 call rate is 50, right? Let's check. 11,950 call, right? It's on 50 rupees, right? So what delta says? It says the impact of change in underlying. Means if suppose Nifty goes 30 rupees up, Nifty goes 30 rupees up. So what my delta says? So what is the current value of delta? See, the current value of delta 11,950 is 0.44. Where we are checking this? We are checking this in option chain. Concept application. Everyone goes in concept application now. Please go in concept application right now and tell me, and goes in option chain, goes in option chain quickly, goes in option chain. Okay. Okay, now if you go in option chain, you will see this 6 June expiry, right? 6 June expiry. You say 11,950 call will buy. What is the delta? See the delta, delta, theta, gamma, vega, right? What is the price of delta? 0.44, right? What is the price of delta? 11,950 delta is 0.44, right? See, 0.44. Understood? So what delta denotes? If Nifty goes 1 rupees up, your premium goes 0.44 rupees up. Your premium is 30 rupees. If Nifty goes 10 rupees up, If you buy this call and Nifty goes 10 rupees up, example, you bought 11,950 call at 50 rupees and Nifty goes to 11,950, 30 point up, and your delta is 0.44. Please understand first. That means if Nifty goes 30 rupees up, your delta is 0.44, means your premium will increase by 13 rupees 20 paisa plus your premium. So your call rate will be 63 rupees 20 paisa. Your call rate will be 63.20. Delta denotes the impact of price in underlying. Price of underlying. Delta denotes the price of underlying, means if your delta is 0.44, Nifty goes 1 rupees up, your premium goes 45 paisa up. If Nifty goes 100 rupees up, your delta will go up 44 rupees. Everyone on same page, understand? Understood everyone? Now we say that Nifty will go towards 12,000. If Nifty goes to 12,000 means how much point? 80 point. So what will be my premium? Your premium is 50 rupees, right? So what will be your premium? Nifty goes to 80 rupees up from current market price. 80 into 0.44. What is 0.44? Is my delta, equals to 35.2 plus on what premium I have bought? 50 rupees. Means what will be my 950 call rate? It will be 85.2. How much profit I'll get? Minus 50 means 35.2 into 75. My profit will be 26,2640, right? Everyone understood what is mean by delta? Any doubt? Quickly ask. Understand what is delta? If your Nifty goes to just 20 point up, now you tell me, if Nifty goes to 11,000, is delta volatile during the market? I'll explain everything. Just wait. Now first understand what is delta. If Nifty goes to 11,975, what will be my premium rate? Tell me. You tell me now. I want answer from you. If Nifty goes to 11,975, what will be my premium rate? I bought at 50 rupees, so what will be my premium rate? Tell me. Mahesh Kumar, right answer. Deepak, I want perfect answer. Joseph, I want what will be my premium rate? What will be my premium rate? Vijay, right answer. Jogesh, right answer now. What will be my premium rate? If Nifty goes to 11,975, what will be my premium rate? Delta is 0.44. Everyone getting? Radhika, what is this? Wrong answer. How 61? Sanjay, what is this? Neha, right answer. Sanjay, what is this? I'm not getting what you written. 55 into 0.44 plus 49.2. What is 49.2? If my current price is 11,920 and my premium goes, Nifty goes to 11,975. Okay, means how much point my Nifty goes up? Almost 55 point. What is my delta? 0.44. Right, Deepak, now right answer. My premium is 50 rupees. So what will be my premium if Nifty goes to 11,975? Now perfect answer, Radhika. Perfect. What about others? Still two, three people, two, three, four members are remaining. Sanjay need perfect answer, not only is again wrong answer. How we are calculating? Again, I'm explaining. Wait, 11,975 minus 11,920. Current trade is 11,920. Where is if Nifty goes to 11,975? Means how much point Nifty goes up? 55 points, right? What is my delta? 44 into 0.44 into 0.44. How much? 24.2, right? 24.2 plus what is my premium? 50 rupees. So what is my last current we can say premium rate? 74.2. Now understood everyone? Right answer now. This may not work after 2 on expiry date. That's what I'm saying. Don't see option chain, option Greeks, anything after 2 o'clock on expiry day. Don't see option chain, option Greeks after 2 p.m. on every Thursday. Every Thursday is expiry. So delta value keep changing during the market hours. Absolutely right. How this is changing, I'll explain. Just wait. This will not only 74.2, it will go to 77, 78 rupees. But how? I'll explain. But I'm just explaining you how delta works. Hope you understand what is delta now. Because what delta saying? Delta denotes the impact of change in price of underlying. Means if Nifty goes 10 rupees up, our delta, our premium goes 4.4 rupees up. If Nifty goes 100 rupees up, our our premium goes to 44 rupees up. Everyone understood delta? Does everyone understood delta? I want answer. And now you tell me if I bought 12,000 call. Which call? 6 June call. Already are here. 32 rupees 50 paisa, right? 32 rupees 50 paisa. Okay. Now, sorry, 32.50, which call 12,000 CE, right? What is the delta of 12,000 CE? Tell me. On concept, what is the delta of 12,000 CE? What is the delta of 12,000 CE? Are you looking at this page, guys? What is the delta? If I want answer from everyone, what is the delta of 12,000 call? What is the delta of 12,000 call? Right? 0.32. This is 0.32. 0.32. Right? Now, if Nifty goes to 11, example, 12,000 rupees. You bought 12,000 call and Nifty goes to 12,000, 80 point up. What will be, what is the delta? 0.32, right? So what will be my premium rate? Tell me now. I want answer from all now. Everyone, everyone. What is the price of my 12,000 call? Deepak, how 105.60? 105.60. You are saying 105.60. Mahesh, how you are saying 58.25? I want perfect answer, not only 58, 105, 59. I want perfect answer. Who give perfect answer? Sanjay, Jogesh, Radhika, Roy, Sanjo. Amit Dada, now right answer. Vijay, right answer. Mahesh, how 58.25? See, what is the current rate of 12,000 call? 32.50. Deepak, how 90.4 now? Previously you are saying 105.60. Now you are saying 90.4. How? And delta is 0.32. Nifty goes to 80 rupees up. Delta is 0.32. And your premium is 32.50. How we are calculating? We are calculating 80 point Nifty going up into what is 12,000 delta? 0.32 equals to 25.6 plus what is the current market price? 32.50 equals to what is the perfect answer? 58.10. How 58.25? Don't see this 32.65. I'm saying 32.50. See here. Uh, where is this? 32.50, not 65. 32.50 is current market rate. Okay. See 32.50. What is the delta? 32, right? 0.32. How we are calculating? 32 into 80 is equal to 32.50 into, sorry, 80 into 0.32. What is 25.6 plus what is my 32 point is equal to 58.1. Now everyone understood. This is our delta, right? 0.32. 80 point Nifty goes up. How much our premium will increase? 25.6 plus what is our premium rate? Current premium rate 32.50. What is 32.50 plus 25.6? 58.10. Simple. Now everyone understood what is delta, how delta calculate, how we are calculating delta. Still any doubts? Please ask quickly. Everyone clear now? Everyone clear? Yes. We have 13 people and only 2 people saying yes. 3, 4, 5, 6. What about others? Everyone clear? What is delta? How we are calculating delta? Vijay cleared? Vijay? Vijay have given perfect answer, right? Yes. How to select which delta is appropriate for selection? Wait. Now clear? Now write down one important thing. What is the important thing? Ideal data should be minimum plus 0.40 or minus 0.40 for index and stock. Write down in bold. Minimum delta should be 0. At least 0.35 or 40. You can adjust 0. From 0.35 plus 0.35 or minus 0.35 for put. For call minus 0 plus 0.35 and for put minus 0.35. But at least if 40 above 40 is there, then always good. Now which call is good to buy? You tell me. If market is going towards 11,920 to 12,000, we know that market will go up. So which call is good to buy now? Which call is good to buy? Current market price is 11,920. 11,950 onwards means 11,800 call. Sanjay, 12,000 call. Why Swapnil 12,000 call? What we have written right now? Minimum delta should be plus or minus 0. Minimum 0.35 or 40. No, we cannot say that 0.32 is okay. Why we are saying? Because if if you want to earn money quickly, premium quickly, then you have to buy at least. See, now you see, if you buy 11,900 call, what is the delta? 0.57. You can buy 70 rupees premium, no issue. But if you don't want to take, if you don't have that much of amount, still you can buy the 11,950 call. Still you can buy because delta is 0.44. You cannot buy 12,000 call because the delta is 0.32. If Nifty goes 10 rupees up, you will get only 3 rupees or 3.2 rupees, 3.5 rupees. But if you buy 11,950 call and if Nifty goes 10 rupees up, you will get at least 4.5 rupees. More than this, you will at least get 1 rupees more than 12,000. Understood, everyone? If you buy 11,900, you will get at least 6 rupees. Again, more than this. But the premium is little bit high. Everyone okay? Everyone understood? Which premium we should buy? Ideal delta. Tell us which premium will buy. Understood? Now, whenever you are buying any call or put, the delta should be minimum 0.35 or 40 or minus 0.35 or 40. Okay, you have a question, please ask. For put, see, for put, the delta is always minus, right? Always minus. Here, always plus. See, if you buy, if Nifty goes downside, which put will buy? 11,900 put, or you can buy 11,850 put as well because delta is 0.37. You can buy this also, but 11,950 also you can buy 0. Minus 0.45. Okay. Does the value of delta goes up as price goes up? Absolutely. But who tells us now next? Now next, who tells us that the delta will go up? Of course, the delta price will not the same for whole day, right? If you are buying this call, right, 11,950 call at 50 rupees example, right, and the delta is 0.44. If Nifty goes from 11,920 to 930, does the delta same? Of course not. Of course not. So who tells us that delta price will how much price delta will change? Who tells us? Gamma tells us. What gamma tells us? It denotes the rate of change of delta, right? What gamma shows us? Denotes us? It denotes us the rate of change of delta. It denotes the rate of change of delta. So now see, you are buying 11,950 call. Where is gamma? Here is gamma. 0.0026. Hope everyone uh, 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 is this audible for everyone? 0.0026 gamma, right? What gamma denotes? It denotes the rate of change of delta. Now take a calculator. If Nifty goes to 11,920 to 950 means 30 point. 30 point into what is gamma rate? 0.0026. How much is this? 0.078 plus what is current delta rate? 0.44. Means what will be now? Our delta will be 0.51. Everyone understood or not? Understood? Delta rate will not be same for whole day. It will be changing. Please don't give me negative feedback when I'll ask question, because some people have given me negative feedback. They don't understand gamma. They just tell me that if you, sir, you told us that delta will be same and the price will quickly go downside. How quickly? They bought put, they bought call and Nifty goes down. Of course, delta will go down. How much delta will go down? Now you tell me. If you bought 11,950 call, the delta is 0.44. But if Nifty goes to 11,880, means 40 point down or 20 point down. Example. What is the gamma rate? 0.0026 plus 0.44. Sorry. 0.0026 into 20 minus 0.052. 0.052. What will be your delta? Your delta straightforward goes to 0.38. Understood? If market goes up, your delta will go up. If market goes down, your delta will go down. Sanjay, does gamma change during the day? Of course, it changes during the day. Gamma, gamma also change, theta also change, vega also change, delta also change. Here you have refresh button, right? But this is 10 minutes late data. Again, I'm saying, no one will give you accurate data, on-time data, or you can say uh, perfect data on uh, in market time, right? This is almost 10 minute late data, right? In market timing, if market goes up, your delta will go up. If market goes down, your delta go down. Gamma depends on spot like delta. Gamma depends on spot. I'm not getting it. Gamma depends on spot. No, it depend on future. This all data will depend on future. All depend on future price. Everything is future. No spot, nothing. Only future price. Now everyone understood what is delta and what is gamma. Gamma denotes the rate of change of delta, means how much delta will change. Who shows us? Gamma shows us. Understood everyone? No one is speaking. I think everyone's sleeping. Understood? Going on awake. सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है. Everything is okay, guys. Understanding? Little bit confusing, but it's see, it's required. That's why we use the term advance. It, you have to understand these things, because if you want to earn money from options, you have to understand option Greeks. Just show the calculation with gamma again. Okay, let me show you again. What is the current market price of Nifty? 11,920 example, right? What is our delta? If you are buying 11,950 call, the delta is 0.44, right? And the gamma is 0.0026. 0.0026. Audible? Okay. But now Nifty goes to 11,950, means 30 point up. 30 point up. What is gamma rate? 0 into 0.0026. 0.0026. This is our gamma. See, gamma rate 0.0026 equals to 0.078 plus what is your delta? Your delta is 0.44. So what will be your delta rate now? After Nifty goes 30 point up, your delta will be 0.518. How gamma shows delta rate? Gamma denotes the rate of change of delta. Understood now? Sir, we are to select delta for call if it is higher than 0.35. So higher the delta is better. Of course, the higher the delta is always better. Or we do need to have a selection range of delta. No, delta should be, see, we have already written down, Sanjog, we have already written down that delta should be at least 0.35 or 40. More than 0.40 is always good, but don't be lesser. Don't be less. Don't be less than 0.35. At least 0.35 or 40. If this is 50, 60, always good. But you will get high premium. See, 722, but the premium is 100 rupees. It's too high. If you buy 11,900, delta is also good, but the premium is 70 rupees. If you can afford this, you can buy this, no issue. If you buy 11,950, the delta is okay, no problem, 0.44. It's on our range, 49, 50, 35, right? But if you are buying 12,000 call, the delta is 0.32. Premium is very less, no problem, but the delta is also less. Your premium will not go as fast as these two, right? Because the delta is less. Understood now? And show the difference. Now. So now you calculate on the same 32.50. 32.50. So now can you calculate on the same 32.50 and show the difference? Okay. Now, if you are buying 11,950 call, what is current market price of 11,950? 50 rupees and 32.50. Okay. Current rate is 9, and if Nifty goes to 11,940, example, only 20 rupees. Now see the difference. 11,950 CE, 50 rupees. Delta is 0.44. If Nifty goes 20 rupees up, what will be my rate? Now see the difference. 0.44 into 20, 8.8 plus 50 rupees, 58.8, 58.8. Okay, 20 into 0.32, 6.4 plus 20, 32.50. What will be my rate? 38.9, right? So which is high? 58.8 minus 58.8 rupees. plus 8.8. Now here 38.9 minus 32.5, 6.4. Now you tell me, Radhika, you ask me the question. Which is the highest number? This one or this one? Where you will get good amount of money? 6.4 into 75. You will get 42 rupees profit, right? And here you will get 8.8 into 75. How much profit you will get? 660. Now you tell me which call is good. See, the difference is 660, 440, 480. Understand now difference? Why we are buying higher delta rate? Because we'll get more premium. Your premium will get quickly high, right? If you buy now, you tell me. Here. Now you tell me if you buy. Someone please tell me what is the delta of 12,100 call. Quickly. 12,100 call and price. What is the price of delta is 0.15. So what is the call rate? 12,100 call rate is 12,100 call is 13 rupees. Okay, call rate is 13 rupees. It's very cheap. Easily anyone can buy. Okay, if Nifty goes 20 rupees up, then what will happen? See, 20 into 0.15. Sorry, 20 into 0.15. 3 rupees. 16 rupees plus 3 rupees. How much your profit is? 2 to 5 rupees. Have you seen the difference? If Nifty goes 20 point up, where you will get higher profit. Now you tell me if you buy Nifty 11,900 call, what is delta? Tell me quickly. Delta rate and premium rate. 11,900 call. What is the premium? Come on, 70 rupees. Premium is 70 rupees. What is delta? What is delta? Quickly. 0.57. Okay. 0.57. 20 rupees into 0.57. 11.4 plus 70. 84. 81.4 minus 70. 11.4. So how much your profit? 11.4 into 75. 855. Now you tell me which is good. 11.4 profit 855. Which is good? Which call is good for you? Of course this. Of course this. See, 11,850 call is delta is 72. But see, it depend on you now. It's depend on you that which strike price you can buy. Personally, I'm saying you have to buy you have to buy delta which is above 0.40 or 35. Small trader also can buy, right? If the delta is 0.5, 4, 5, 7, see 9. If you can manage to buy, if you have money, you can buy 100 rupees, but your investment is also high, right? Here I'm getting less profit, but my investment is also less, right? But don't buy more out of the money call, which having very less delta. Very few, there are a lot of, you can say, advisories or tips for in the market. They don't have any knowledge. They just tell buy 5 rupees call, 3 rupees call, 7 rupees call. They don't understand what is delta. And we buy 100 lots, 50 lots, because we know that the price is very less. Boss, if Nifty goes up, then only you will not get more money. You will be in trouble because you don't have intrinsic value and time value. These are the two Bahubalis. I can say Bahubali. If you have time, your value of premium, or we can say intrinsic value, will always high. If you don't have time, you will or we can say expiry week or 1 or 2 days remaining, or expiry day, your premium also very less. If you are buying at the money call also, you will get in a range of 20-30 rupees, right? Why? Because you don't have time. That's why your intrinsic value also goes down. Everybody understood? Understanding? Now theta. Theta denotes the impact of change in the time remaining. Now let's see. See, theta, first write down. At least you can understand. But the most important, again, I'm saying it's delta only. It's delta only. Same you can buy, call, and put in stocks as well. You can buy SBI, ICICI, whatever stock you are buying. See the delta. See the delta. Then only buy, call, or put. Okay. Now, what theta denotes? It denotes the impact of change in time remaining. Theta denotes how much time is remaining. See, if you're buying 5.24, 5.24 is theta. Theta denotes the time you have remained. But it doesn't work more, right? We have most important is delta and gamma, and it shows the volatility. Vega shows the volatility. See, Vega denotes the impact of change in volatility. See, volatility we have at least, see, volatility should be at least 5, 6. Higher the volatility, better the premium rate. But personally, I'm saying don't go inside more, because if you learn more, you will get confused more, right? What is most important for you? Delta, that's it. But how delta change? If you want to see, you can calculate gamma. Theta also change. But see, if you now tomorrow theta again change. Again, if you have less time, if on an expiry date, theta is also very less, right? Because your time, you don't have time now because expiry is today. Your premium also goes down. Your theta also goes, or your delta also goes down. On that time, you have to buy at the money call or in the money call if you want to buy, because the delta is 30, 40, 50 at the money call. Now see, at the money call theta is delta is 0.57 on Thursday or Friday. Sorry, Wednesday and Thursday, you will see at the money premium also delta also goes down little bit. Understood? So the most important part in option Greeks is only and only delta. Everything covered in delta. If you understand delta perfectly, then you can buy premiums, whichever premium you are buying, Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks, call, put, whatever you are buying, please see delta. If you are buying 11,950, see the delta is 0.5. If you are buying 11,900 put, the delta is 40. If you are buying 11,850, the delta is 0.37. You can buy, but you cannot buy 11,800 call put because the delta is 0.29 only. At least you have to buy at the money or little one strike price out of money or two strike price, max two strike price. Not, don't go far. Now, this is also most important. If you want, you can write on or I will send you. If you are buying stocks having monthly, we have one question. Wait, we have one question. So the result time theta 8 premium by 40 rupees in 2-3 days only, giving losses in little OTM. This result time theta 8 premium by 40 rupees in 2-3 days only, giving losses in little OTM. Of course, sometimes what we can say writers who are big player does, they increase the rate of premiums on any particular occasion, like on big occasion, like election rate, election time. You must have seen we have lost almost 32,000 on election result day. Why we are lost? Because they have increased the rate of call and put too high, too high, right? Because they have increased the high rate for call and put as well. We cannot able to buy 500 point OTM call also 50 rupees. 500 point call rate is also 50 rupees. See why? Because everyone expecting big volatility. Vega was too high. What Vega shows? Volatility. Everyone lost because what they did, they quickly decreased the Vega. They quickly decrease the volatility index. Premium quickly goes down, call side and put side both. Whoever have bought the call or put, all in losses because only and only writers made money on that day. On both sides they have right call and put, both sides. Market was just hanging around in 200, 300 point. Everyone have bought 500, 600 point call upside or downside. Everyone was in loss. Sometimes it happens. So better to do futures on that day or better to stay away from when if you see big or you can say high price of premiums either call or put side, better not to do options. Better not to do options. Okay, I have little bit. You can read after this because it will take again too much time. But I'll quickly explain you. There are two boundaries in the market, option market, which are this time and intensifier, right? What is IV? Implied volatility. Now, if we can't make them our friend, then we will not make them our enemy too, as well we can say. It derived with the volatility index. India VIX means India, it's a volatility index, right? If we say VIX is low, if we say VIX is low, consider IV is also low. Again, IV we say implied volatility, right? If we say VIX is high, like on election day, IV is also high. See now price pattern. What price of call and put? Now, if price IV call option and put option. If price is high, if price is high, IV is bottom. Call and put price also cheap. If price is bottom, price means option price. IV is top. And at that time, call and put both price are too expensive. Too expensive. See, volatility is the most important thing. If we have big volume, big volatility in the market, don't even buy options. If volatility is less, you can buy quickly, you can buy options anytime, no worry. Better not to do options on any we can say mm, big occasions like elections, like RBI policy rate, or there are a lot of other things, or we can say how many big occasions in the market. Not Q4 result or quarterly result. I'm getting Q4 result only. How we can say volatility is high? If we see options are high, then automatically your call and put premium will high. Simple. If your options rate is too high and your VIX is on top, of course by watching VIX. If your VIX is too high, then of course your premium will be high also. If your VIX is bottom, or we can say low, then your call and put premium will be cheap. On a flattish day or on a normal day, our option call rate is adjustable, or we can say manageable by everyone. But on a higher occasion, when VIX is too high, at that time your call and put premium also too high. Who will be making money when VIX is too high? Tell me now. Why? So why will be VIX value? So why will be VIX value? Okay, tell me, if VIX is too high and options is too high, who will make money? Right answer. What writers? Yogesh, Neha, right answer. Amrut Roy, Amarkant, right? Writers only make money when VIX is too high, because what they did, they make a uh, proper hedging, either call side and put side, right? And uh, we can say they stable market on certain situation where maximum pain is not there. What is maximum pain? You may get confused. I don't want to confuse you, but whenever you see high volatility in the index, don't even trade in options because they are too expensive. Now our market is flat, or you can say VIX is not bottom but averageable, right? Our options is also cheap. How can we say VIX is high? We can see VIX on, I'll show you. Put India VIX. India VIX. What is our India VIX now currently? 16.74. Let's see the chart. When was election day? Election date C. On election day, see the VIX is on 30. Within 2-3 days, see where is the VIX now. Do you observe this? No. You have to observe this. See on what day? 22, 23, 24. Election result day. Right? See the VIX. We have got stuck on this day. We are expecting more, right? Right. On that day, we have expected more. So we got stuck and we made good amount of loss. But we have recovered. No issue. But on that 3 day, 4 day, see the VIX is around 30, 27. Within 2 days, where is VIX now? Within 2 days, VIX is on 16. Now what is rate? 16 point, almost flat. Understood, Swapnil? See the VIX. VIX was flat, but when the results are coming slowly is going up. Why? Because writer know that if we increase the rate of premiums, call and put, people take out of the money call, out of the money put, right? Because if you are buying in the money call, it's very and very high price. So what we do, we buy out of too far out of the money call and put, right? That is our big mistake. And who get benefited? Writers. Within 2-3 days, see where is VIX. Everyone understood now. I thought VIX has a value like options. No. It's India VIX. I have explained you here only. It's India VIX, right? It's India VIX. You can directly put here India VIX. You can get it. Currently, India VIX is 16.07. Everyone understood. Now we have got many questions. Wait. What is the VIS rate? VIS rate when you say as high, and what is the normal rate? VIX, and you are saying VIX, Mahesh. What is the VIX rate when you say as high, and what is the normal? See, this is average. Now you only tell me what is the average rate? Almost 15, 16, 15, 16, 17, 15, 16, 17. But when VIX is too low, it's very best time to buy call and put. When VIX is too high, VIX is too high, you can write options, right? Understood? Question posted before you open. Okay, understood. Okay, great. So you can see this chart on your Zerodha terminal or any your Demat account. Okay, you can see the chart. Uh, how much should VIX in order to trade in options? Nihal understood now? Nihal Riker understood? VIX should be at least 15, 14, 18. Yes. Due to this fall in VIX premium, price also degraded. Of course, price also degraded. Premium quickly goes down, and expiry also on that day. Everyone got, you know what happened, right? Everyone got stuck. Everyone got lost. Please explain the top and bottom chart again. See, now we'll see monthly chart. Let's see monthly chart. On 2008, you cannot observe. See where was VIX. VIX was on almost 55. See, 2009, right? VIX was on almost 55, 56. See, 57 almost. And we have seen what we have seen. On 2009, what happened? Everyone knows. On 2009, what happened? See the VIX around 57. No Congress won. I'm not saying about Congress. It's not only election, but why VIX was too high? Because of Congress won, VIX was high. It's not like that. The market was stable government, not stable government. There was a Lehman Brother issue you must have seen, right? You must have seen there was a Lehman Brother uh, issue on 2008, 2009. 2009, Congress government comes in party, which was too high. But again, before this, before this, the Lehman Brother bank subprime issue was there, right? We have seen the biggest point down in a market. Nifty Sensex was on 20,000, 21,000. We have seen 6,000 also. Recession, right? Big recession within a 6 month, everything crashed, right? So whenever VIX is high, now uh, this problem will not come because now everyone is under control. See, in 2014, what happened on that day? In 2014, what happened? March, April, what happened? Why VIX was on 30, almost 40? On 2014, April, March to May, what happened? Right? Election, government change, premium goes too high. Same within 2 weeks, everything got again on same page. You have to see VIX on a regular basis. On regular basis means whenever you want to trade in VIX for a long index for a long time, right? What writer does, they just wait for a VIX to go high. After this, what they do? You tell me what they do. They write for and put. Now you understand. Everyone understand how options work, how option we can buy, how what is delta option, Greeks, theta, gamma. At least understanding something. Now this is VIX. Now reason of VIX increase or decrease. Increase when market fall, IV increase, right? Or market too much fall, automatically your IV increase. And what are the events like election result, policy, monetary policy, WPI, CPI, now GDP, inflation, war, anything can be the reason of volatility index should be high or low, right? And decrease when market goes up, slowly IV or VIX comes down. If market decrease, I'm saying. There was a lower circuit on 2008 ending on Lehman Brothers issue. Monday open gap down. Today straight forward gap down. In 2009, One day straightforward gap up. Why? Because Congress government comes in a party again, second term. And election result was on Sunday. So Monday, gap of opening straightforward 20% upper circuit, 3 upper circuit, 10%, 15%, 17% close, right? So how to make IV our friend? This is again a chart, right? If market on top, your IV is bottom, right? Your options almost cheap. What activity you have to do? Buy options put. If market is on top, what you will do? You will buy put, of course, or you short Nifty, right? But if you want to buy options, then what you will buy? You have to buy options next expiry, right? Don't buy same expiry because it will go quickly downside. Let next expiry call and put you have to buy. If market was on market bottom, of course your IV is on top. What you have to do? Your options are too expensive, like on election day. What activity you have to do? You have to sell your put of near expiry. You can quickly make money. Understood now? But for selling put, you have future margin. You require future margin, right? Understanding everyone? Okay. So if I'm talking about time value, more time option price are high. If you have more time, your option price will high, right? If you have less time, of course your option price is cheap. Who shows time value? Tell me. Who shows time value? Just now we have finished. Who shows the time value? Right? Right? Good answer. Theta shows us. Right? Theta shows us time decay or theta shows us our how much time is remaining. Time decay or theta is enemy number one for option buyer. In simple term, I have written down theta is our enemy, right? On the other hand, it's usually the option seller best friend. Theta is option seller best friend because if you don't have time, your premium goes down. So who will be benefited? Option writers, call writer, put writer, both are in profits. If both your both call and put premium goes to 0 rupees or 5 paisa, who will be benefited? Writers are benefited. Understood? So theta will be the friend of option writer. Now, option price. ITM call intrinsic value, yes. Time value, yes. ATM call intrinsic value, no. Time value, you have time value, yes. For theta I'm saying. For time value I'm saying. Option price, if you are buying OTM call, intrinsic value, no. Less value. Time value, yes. See, the proper calculation is if you don't have time, you have to buy only in the money call. That's what I have written down, yes, here. If you don't have time, you have to buy in the money call or in the money put only. Now, what is the strategy? Calculate the range on every Friday after expiry. After trend, when the opportunity comes. Let's go this. I'll tell you when to buy options, stop option or index option. See here, we have monthly expiry for stocks. Are everyone with me or sleeping? First tell me. I think everyone's sleeping because I'm only talking from too much time. No one is at least yes, no, getting it, not getting it, going on your head or awake fresh. Okay, it's little bit confusing. If you have little knowledge, you can easily understand. If you are any problem, if you're not understand anything, if you want to join other batch of advanced FNO, you can join it again. If you have any questions, any queries, okay. But you can join only advanced FNO batch, okay. But are you getting it? Is it really advanced or is it simple? You know everything. Is it advanced? Worth it? Okay. Let's see how we can invest options. Okay. We know that we are buying stock option and we have monthly option. For index, we have weekly option, right? So now talk about stock option. We have 4 week of expiry. Last week Thursday is our expiry, right? So you have to buy. If you are buying any call or put, you have to buy in a range of 10,000 to 20,000 max. Don't invest more money in one lot. I'm talking about one lot. Okay. If you want to buy stock option, example Reliance, HDFC, whatever, SBI. My voice is low. Nihal, okay. Now my voice is okay. Quickly. Yes, okay. So we have 4 week of expiry, 4 week of month, and every month last Thursdays or expiry for stock, right? So on first week we have to buy out of money call, because if you are buying in the at the money or in the money call, it's too high, expensive, right? Stock option I'm talking about, right? You have to invest max to max 10 to 20K. Any index stock option. If you're buying example Reliance call or put. So now what is the Reliance current market price? Reliance current market price is 30.30. If you are buying 30.50 or 30.60, Reliance 30.40 call example, 10 points away. What is the price? See, the price is 31. How this will? Oh, this is 31 into 500. 15,500. Who is 2? It should be high. Just a first. It's expiry on 31st of the expiry is there. 27/6, right? 27/6. It's very cheap, right? If market recovered, quickly buy this call. Quickly buy. I'm saying quickly buy because it's too you can say cheap. If market reversed within 1 or 2 days, next week it's too cheap to buy, right? Still, how much amount is required? 15,500, which is in our range. So you can buy out of money call first week. Second week also you can buy out of money call, but your range should be not more than this or not below than this. Third week you have to buy at the money call on or for third week you can buy at the money. Fourth week you can buy at the money or in the money. At the money or in the money. which is also in a range of 10,000 to 20,000. If you are getting with good delta, you can buy it. Now understood for stock. For index, it's a weekly expiry. You have to buy OTM for first week. Again, first week means first 2-3 days, right? Again for next 2-3 days till expiry. Again last 3 days you have to buy at the money contract only because we have weekly expiry in index. They were having mock trading. Who were having mock trading? No. Today is not mock trading, I think. It's accurate data. Today is not mock trading, Radhika. Let it be, no issue. But now understood, everyone understood how much investment you have to do in options. Index, you have to invest max 3 to 5K, not more than this. How much 5K means how much? 5K divided by 75 means you have to buy max to max 60 or 70 rupees call, not more than this. Okay, understood? Options Greek understood. Everyone understood option Greeks. Please tell me. Or still having any simple doubts, anything you want. Now questions time. I will stop for 5 minutes. Please ask questions now. Does everything okay till now? Simple question. How we are going? Are we going good? Need some questions from your end. Your feedback at least. Okay. Sanjog, is there any optimism Vega for selection? Optimism Vega for selection? Not getting you. Optimism Vega for selection. For what selection? For volatility you are saying. Which optimism? Tomorrow we'll send a screenshot of 10K profit. Is there any optimum Vega for selection? Is there any optimum Vega for selection? What selection? Vega. Vega denotes the impact of volatility. See, if I already told you that, right? If if volatility is high, you cannot buy call and put, right? Because the premium is high. For selecting which options to buy, how we can calculate theta. For selecting which options to buy, I have already told you guys. This why I'm saying this delta should be I think written down, right? Delta should be minimum 40 or minus 40. There is a selection of selecting any options like call or put, right? If you're buying any call or put, your delta should be at least 0.4035, right? Understood, Sanjog? Okay. Voice, my voice, I'm continuously speaking, that's why my voice is little low. Now it's your turn to asking questions. Okay. How we can calculate theta? We cannot calculate theta. Theta, what is theta? Right, what is theta? Theta is time remaining, just showing time remaining. If you are less time, of course your theta is goes lesser, right? Don't say about theta and vega. It does, if you're calculating theta and vega and then taking premium, then calculating premium, still now the stock already goes up or premium goes up. That's why don't calculate more things and don't confuse. Again, I'm saying don't be confused with all these things. Please only concentrate on delta. If you want to calculate delta, you can see gamma as well. Theta is just showing you time remaining, right? How much time, and you know that how much time you have, right? Whenever you're buying any option, you know that how much time I have. If I'm buying any option today, I know that my expiry is on Thursday, right? I have to exit my position before this, right? So don't think about theta. If you're talking about Vega, what is Vega? What is Vega? Tell me. See, what is Vega? It shows the volatility. You know, if the volatility is there, you'll get a good amount of increase in your premium. Volatility in the sense, see, volatility, we cannot calculate volatility. How we can calculate volatility? We cannot calculate. We only see volt, or else you can understand the volume. You can see the volume. How we can see volume? On chart. On chart we can see volume. Example, you can see Reliance data. See the volume downside. Volume. Okay. I traded in Reliance 1340 call at May last week. Then price was when price was 3040. The call value was 27 rupees. Okay, so now value is 38, 31 rupees. A little higher, maybe. Any questions? Does everything clear? Till now, everything clear. Can we go ahead for our premiums to go high? Vega also should increase. Vega 6.02, Vega 6, Vega 5.17, Vega 2.25. Now, what you understood? Who asked me, Roy? If your Vega is less, it goods for you. It goods. It it says if your Vega is less, it is always good for you. But if your Vega is too high, don't calculate these things. Again, I'm saying if you're calculating Vega, see if you're calculating Vega here, here Vega is 5.46. Here Vega is 6. Here 6. 5.17. How? 2.25. Here theta is 1.25, 3.3, 4.5.4.48. Don't calculate these things because we don't know exact rate, right? We don't know exact rate. We know that at what time our premium our expiry is there, how much time we have. If they are giving us a free data without any charge, personally I'm saying, so we have to respect these things. If you are getting accurate data, you can calculate this data on other, I think, there are other, I think, 2, 3 app are there. You can calculate. There are too many applications. They shows that option grids rates, right? You can see both side. You can cross check. Okay, how to understand buy and sell signal on chart? On chart, I'm telling you. Just wait. We are yet to go to chart. But my motto is to understand you. Main thing is delta and vega. Sorry, gamma and delta. Because these two things we cannot calculate. We cannot calculate. I am also not looking of these two. I'm calculating only this delta. Because if I'm calculating all these things, when I'll buy options? If I'm calculating, then I'm observing, then I'm buying. Till then, if you're buying, already the strike price premium will go up to the rupees. Understood? So don't go into more deep. I also don't go in more deep. I need quick results. So that's why I whatever required for me, I do it only this, like delta. For understanding of you, I'll show how we can how delta changes in market hour. I show gamma, right? But I cannot show you or calculate you or explain you theta and vega because I also don't have that much of knowledge, right? To be very frank. Is it okay for you, or is I have to study something extra? Then I, after this I'll explain you what is how we can calculate vega and theta. Okay. Yes, Patel bhai. I only use delta, nothing else. In this chart, I only see delta, nothing else I'll see. I don't even see theta, gamma, vega because I need quick result. If I'm buying any options, I never hold options more than 2 days. I never hold options more than 2 days. 2 days, max to max. If I'm getting money intraday only, then I'll quickly exit. Because see what my psychology says. Now I'll tell you psychology something. If you're buying any options, right? If you're getting now your premium is 50 rupees, right? Your premium is 50 rupees. 950 premium is 50 rupees, right? And if you bought and Nifty goes up and your premium goes 60 rupees, how much you have earned? 10 points. How much money you have earned? 750, right? 750 rupees you have earned. How much profit you have earned? Tell me. How much profit you have earned? Hmm? 20%? If you have 50 rupees call and your call goes to 60 rupees, how much percent of profit you have? 20%. 20% profit. Is it good or bad? What people think if it is go to 80, 90, I'll say we have more greediness. We have more greediness. For getting 10 points, how much your Nifty should go up? See, if your Nifty goes 20 rupees up or 25 rupees up, you will get 10 rupees. Max to max 22 or 23 rupees, right? If 20 rupees goes up, 58. 23, example 23. If Nifty goes 23 rupees up, you will get 20% return on option. How much capital you required? How much capital you required? 50 into 75. On 3750, you are getting 750, right? How much percent return? 20% return. Is it a joke? Do we really think that getting 20% return on option is hard? If there is a proper support or resistance, do it. Options. Why we are getting consistent money in options? The reason is this. We are not expecting more than 20-25%. We quickly exit. At least we book 70%. If I have, example, 5 lots, I sell 3 lots quickly because I don't want to lose my profit. If again it goes to 65 rupees, 63 rupees, again I book one more lot. If again it goes to up, again I book one more lot. If it is going down, I book again one more lot and exit totally. Understood? If you are getting 20% within 15 minutes or 20 minutes, max to max, is it good or bad? But you have to manage your risk. If you are buying 10 lots, means how much profit you will get? 750 into 10. How much profit you will get? 7500, right? How much capital you require? 50 into 750. On 37,500, you are getting 7,500. In how much time? Just 10-15 minutes. You are getting, you are buying at proper support and proper resistance. And you are getting 20%. Quickly exit. At least book 70%. Book 7 lots. Right? Book 7 lot on 20%. You have only 3 lots now. But you have to do on same lot from day 1 to day 30. Don't ask me again. People show when they make profit. People don't show when they make losses. I show everything. Whenever I make profit, I show. Whenever I make losses, I'll show. Because if you're showing, you have to be consistent. I show my wife every day profit and loss. Right? Why I'm showing? Because she also don't be in a dream that my husband daily basis he is making money. If you're only showing profit, your family will family in a different position. They think that my uh, daughter or my son is doing very nice. You have to show losses as well, because if you don't show losses, again I'm saying you have to show your daily P&L to someone in your family or your colleague. Because daily basis, if you're intraday trader, right, you have to show daily profit and loss to your someone daily basis. Why I'm saying this? Because if you're doing some mistake, right, you think that I have to show to someone, so I don't do this kind of mistake, right? You will be in a control. If you make 20-30,000 rupees loss and you are not showing to your friend or colleagues, and when you make 7,000, 3,000, 5,000 profit, again you quickly go to him and see my profit today. But you don't show your loss 20,000, 10,000. You have to show this, right? So what psychology I'm saying, options will get big amount of money in quick time, but you have to book quickly. Don't hold. Don't hold. Okay. Any questions till now? We know everything. We know psychology, we know option chain, we know option Greeks, we know futures now, resistance, support. We know when to buy. Whenever we see any resistance, we take puts. Whenever we see any support, we'll take call. Sorry. Whenever we see any resistance, we'll take put. How to keep stop loss in options? We don't put stop loss in options. If you are buying 11,920, if market is 11,920, or if you are buying 11,950 call, whenever Nifty break 11,900, book loss in options as well. Understood? You will lose 10, minimum 10 point. We cannot say put in options. Does it give any stop loss or target? I never use stop loss or target in options usually. But usually I give 10 points stop loss. Why I'm giving 10 points stop loss? Because 10 points is averageable, right? Because we know that if market break 20 point and goes below 11,900, of course, the 50 rupees goes to 40 rupees. We know that. But it's our psychology. But now you know that if market goes below 11,900, you have to book losses. It's a contradictory call, right? We know that 11,900 having big support. That's why you are buying 11,950 call, right? Got it? Yeah. So we don't put stop loss. Usually we don't put stop loss, but whenever our support break, whenever our support break, then book losses in options. We cannot say that I bought at 50 rupees, so your stop loss is 40 rupees. It's it's our you can say prediction that when 40 will come, automatically Nifty goes below 11,900. Means support breaks. So now downside open. So buy quickly, we can buy put as well. But need to sustain for at least 5 minute downside. Any questions? Any doubts till now? Global market understood, everyone? Futures, options. The option penny there. It's not much important. Investments. Yes, everything clear till now. What about others? Everyone clear till now? Or need to explain anything? We cannot take break right now because after break, how much time? Do you record? Because it's very few time remaining now. Why to take breaks? So we have chart pattern now, right? So how to make technical chart? How can we find support and resistance for stock? Shall we use option chain? No, we don't say option chain. We uh, for stock you are saying, right? For stock I'll explain, right? See, this is support and resistance. Option chain also you can use it, no issue. For option chain, in option chain also you can work it. You'll see, but for only and only future option stocks. Right? On future option stock, you will get where if you get big support and resistance, that is your support, resistance and support from option chain. You can take it. Otherwise, you can use technical setup. I'll tell you what is how we can use technique. It's very simple. Go in studies, put volume. How we can put volume? Volume chart. See volume chart. This is Nifty future. Volume chart done. See volume. I'll tell you Reliance. Stock. If you're talking about stock, see green means buying, come red means selling. Right? Simple. Volume is most important. Whenever you see a big candle like this, means there is a big buying coming in market. From previous 5-10 candle, if you see a big volume, means there are a lot of people who have bought the stock. Okay, as simple as that. Again goes in here and put moving average. Moving average, simple moving average, right? First we'll write 10 simple moving average. Color will be green, and your color should be always same. Everyone please write down colors. 10 days moving average, color will be simple moving average, color is green. Done. Again go in studies, moving average, 50-day moving average, simple. Okay, simple moving average, type it simple. Okay, and your color is red. Done. Again one more moving average, last. Now 200-day SMA, simple moving average SMA, right? Color will be blue. Okay, done. That's it. Now see the support. Who asked the question? Amit sir, please see the support now. What's happening? See 200 SMA, right? See 200 SMA. How 200 SMA works in Reliance. Stock come down, doesn't cross 200 SMA, again goes up, again goes near 200 SMA, again goes up, again plan to break 200 SMA, doesn't go, again goes up. See now here you will see every time it's trying to break 200 SMA, but 200 SMA, who is 200 SMA? From my point of view, 200 SMA is our manager, or you can see our AVP or main boss, our manager 50 SMA, and these are employees. Employee always go with candlestick pattern. Now, what is the use of 10 SMA, 50 SMA, and 200 SMA? In the market, usually 50 SMA and 100 SMA, how many people work in use this 50 and 200 SMA? Everyone, almost everyone use this. That's why we are also using this. We don't want to do something else from others. Some people will give you 34 SMA, some people give you 7 SMA, some people give you 70 SMA, 80 SMA, right? For 400 SMA, whatever in their mind, they keep using YouTube videos and make people fool. We don't want to fool, because what everyone using, we are using same thing, right? And this is, see, all SMA or this RSI moving average is a, what is this? Part-time supporting actors, we can say, part-time supporting actors. But it works on chart. It works on chart. See, again, market goes down. We thought that market will break. We are planning to buy here. But see, what candle made? Which is this candle? Tell me. Candle meaning candlestick. Which is the pattern? It's a daily candle, right? What is the pattern? Right answer, Yogesh. Perfect. Right answer, Swapnil. Others, quickly. What is this candle? Which pattern is this? My goodness, Amritish, wrong answer. Is it a doji? Do you really think it's a doji? It's a very small toe. No issue. We cannot say doji to him or doji to this candle. It's a very small lower toe. But it's look like, what about others? Tell me. Now answer perfect. Why? Everything above the head. No one, no one understand. Hmm? What is reversal hammer? Nihal? What is reversal hammer? You are right, but what is the actual name of that reversal hammer? What is this? This is reversal hammer. You can say it's inverted hammer, right? It's an inverted hammer. So some people are still awake, some people are sleeping. Only five, six people are awake. All are sleeping. Okay. So this is inverted hammer. So when we'll buy, when high will break. See high break, we bought. See one, two, three gap up opening. Book profit. That's it. How much profit we book? How much profit do this? We bought around this high. 1259. We sell around this. Why we sell around this? Because it's shooting almost a shooting star, right? We quickly book this. We book and it's a 50 SM also here. And we already got good amount of almost 80 point. 80 points is not a joke. Okay. See from here 1260 almost 80 points, right? 80 points in the lines within 5 days. Is it a joke? No. So now understood why we are using 50 SMA, 200 SMA. See 200 SMA exact touch in 200 SMA again goes up. Again exact touch 200 SMA again goes up. Not yet break 200 SMA. So Reliance is the best stock. Reliance work good on 200 SMA. Understood. So after the approx bullish engulfing form after inverted hammer. After inverted hammer, approx bullish engulfing. Where is bullish engulfing? This is not bullish engulfing. Do we teach you bullish engulfing? See, this is bullish engulfing. Small, if there is a red candle, a big green candle engulf previous red candle, right? Is it a complete engulf? It's a complete engulf? No, right? It's not a complete engulf. This is called complete bullish engulfing. Previous red candle have completely engulfed from current candle, current day. Understood? Can you also share the candlestick chart? I'll share you because for advanced FNO, this only four pattern or five pattern is important. For positional trading, I explain more to three pattern, but for you guys only inverted hammer, hammer, shooting star, and hanging man, and doji. That's it. Not more than this. For advanced FNO, don't need more than this. Okay. I'll share you this PDF. You can read it. I'll share you tonight. Don't, for everyone, I'll share. So these are 3. Now again we'll use, if you want you can use RSI, but RSI what we use, we do 70 60 40. We do 60 40. Why we use 60 40? Period is 14, overbought zone 60, oversold zone 40. Simple. We are changing 7 I think previously 80 20 something is there, 70 30, but we are using 60 40. Why? For perfect intent, perfect exit. See, whenever RSI goes above 60 we'll buy. Above 60, see, RSI goes above 60 on this day we'll buy. Whenever RSI again goes below 60 we'll sell. RSI again goes below 60 we'll sell. Understood? See, RSI goes above 60 we'll buy on this day, right? Again RSI goes below 60, we can sell here also, here also, we can sell here also, right? Profit is at least favorable within 5-4 days, right? Now RSI on middle. When RSI is in middle, don't do anything. Wait for some proper entry or exit. Understood? It's a simple thing, right? Now we have to use pivot point. We have to use pivot point. Pivot point having 7 lines. What is the 7 lines? One red. The main pivot point is this black candle. What is black candle suggest? Sorry, black line. This is black line, right? The average price of previous day or previous month. This is month May, April, May, June, right? So on day 1, 1st of May, you have to see this 7 candle. So what is mean by this black line? Average price of previous month. Average price. Day 1 to day 30, what is the average price? So this is the average price, right? 1375. Now tomorrow we'll see again a different pivot point, because tomorrow is first day of January, June, right? So this red line shows resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, and green line support 1, see, support 1, support 2, and support 3. Understood? On a 15-minute candle, we can use, if you are intraday trader, see, yesterday exactly from pivot point the stock goes downside. For intraday trader, pivot point will be act as a support and resistance. Pivot point will be act as a support and resistance. See here. Exact change support again going up, right? Pivot point will be act as a support and resistance for intraday players. And whenever we see a support from 50 SMA or 200 SMA, stock will go upside only. And if you are buying for intraday any stock, 50 and 100 SMA never be upside, right? Whenever you are buying Reliance or any stock, 50 and 100 SMA, 200 SMA never be upside, because it will act as again 50 and 200 SMA will act as a support and resistance. See, the stock don't go above 200 SMA, again goes down, again goes up, again not sustaining above 200 SMA, again goes down, again take a support from 50 SMA, again going up, not sustaining, again goes down. Let's see tomorrow what happens. It's in a between of 50 and 200 SMA, right? So I personally see, if you don't uh, if you don't like the please don't do intraday kind of work, because you cannot be perfect, you cannot be accurate more than 80%, frankly I'm saying. And don't waste time on intraday, frankly I'm saying, because one can easily move reliance. A big player can easily move reliance. Your entry is perfect, everything is perfect, still you are stop loss it. Why? Because big player can do anything on stock, but Nifty they cannot do anything. They cannot move Nifty more than 20 point, 30 point, not more than this, right? Sometime there is a we can say, like on Friday, what happened? Everyone was shocked what happened. So that's why everyone was selling. We thought that some big problem is there. So we also thought that there will be a big downside. We also buy put. Nobody knows what happened, right? Sometime it happens. So on index I'm saying, but stocks anytime can happen. Anytime. If your entry everything is perfect for buy side or sell side, still you get your stop loss. But basically I'm saying, see, don't waste your money and don't waste your time, and don't be emotional. Like on starting of the session, I have explained you clearly that don't waste time on intraday. You will get impulsive. You will get impulsive, emotional, while market market trading, right? Or in a live market, right? Will get impulsive, emotional, disturbed, right? Some might get attacked, some might get attacked sometime, right? It happens. It happens. I saw some people, some members. If I'm taking any, if I'm taking a name of any stock, they got shocked. Please don't use stock market name in front of me, because they lost too much amount of money, and they don't want to heard about stock market, because they have done silly mistakes in past, and they have lost good amount of money. They says that market is jua, market is betting. Hmm? Market is not jua, right? They are juari, we can say, betters. People have very different mentality in market, right? So personally, if you have, if you don't have you have a kind of work, do again my voice is gone. Go ahead. Not, cannot hear you. No voice cutting. Now okay. Voice not clear. Now okay. Little better. Okay. So that is the issue. See, that is the issue I'm saying. Don't waste your valuable time in intraday trading, right? If you want to be specialist in market and want to be consistent, see, intraday trader cannot be consistent, or we can say stock trader, stock intraday trader cannot be consistent. Why? They are wasting their time. You cannot be perfect every time, right? And you get emotional, right? You can do everything, but again I'm saying you have to stick your money management. Then only you'll be perfect. Otherwise, you will not get perfect in anywhere. Either stocks, either Nifty, Bank Nifty, whatever you are doing, futures, we have good strategy we have told in the start of session yesterday that Nifty, this if you can make able to do, you can easily earn 20-30%. Do it. It's a very simple. Now you can easily you can easily understand global market. You can easily understand option chain now. You can easily understand OI, how we can check OI from concept application, future build-up, right? From technical view, now you know that very support and resistance, right? Heavyweight stock, is it hard or good? If you want to do, you can buy options as simple as that, right? And whenever you are making money, withdraw. Make a habit of withdraw. Again, I'm saying, people want to be like Ambani within a month, they never be Ambani. They lose everything. So finally, we are in a stage now. So I'll explain you FII strategy. I'll explain you FII strategy. I'll explain you where is FII strategy? FII hedging strategy. So stock selection is remaining. Of course, stock selection is last. Stockage application. I'll explain it. So what is the FI strategy? First, I'll show two pictures to you because you'll get idea. And it's very important, but you have to be very fast. Photos. Recently, we have done. Recently, I think last week, LT, right? On 12, see the number. This is LNT stock, right? So what do you think? Something is wrong in this buyers, bidders, and offers. What do you see? Something is wrong number in this, right? What is the wrong number here? Something is wrong here. In bidders and offers, numbers, quantity, something is wrong. What is wrong? What is wrong? Large quantity selling. This is this right? Something is going here, right? Because usually we see 35, 25, 39, 30, 100, 37, 120, 239, 2 quantity, but certainly on 1455, why 12,471 quantity? What happening? What's happening? What do you think? What will happen after this? Something will happen after this. After this, what do you think, guys? What will happen? I want answer from everyone. Stock will dump means what is mean by stock will dump, Radhika? Stock will correct. Correct means fall, right? Sanju? Selling. Price will go down drastically. Amruto Roy. Okay. Yeah. Amit Kharapure. Fall down. Okay. Stock will go down. everyone's saying stock will go down, almost go down, right? Because there are a lot of sellers, almost free fall. Okay, those who know, at least those who understood what I'm saying, but there are a lot of people say that there will be very big fall, right? Because there are big numbers, right? More, almost 10, 20 times more than normal numbers, right? So see what happened after this. On what date? 12/5/19. 12/5/19. Let's see 12/5/19 stock, LT stock. Can trust buyer or seller? I was checked on this May or time opposite can happen on 22nd. Let's see. On 22nd, right? At what time? 11:18. 11:18 means this candle. See what happened, right? What happened? 14:55. We have seen how many numbers? 12,000, or how many numbers were there? 12,471 seller. Everyone was saying free fall, market will go down. I know some people say up, but why up? Will fall, fall. Again saying fall. But what happened? See, market goes 20 rupees up, 55, 65, almost 75 rupees. See, right? What happened? But why, what happened? Why this high number of selling on a particular price? The reason is, what is our topic? FI hedging strategy. What they do? Tell me L&T lot size. L&T lot size, how much L&T lot size? Almost 375, right? 375 rupees. Stock goes to 20 rupees upside, right? Almost how many seller was there? 12,400 example. 12,400. Stock goes to 20 rupees high. How much loss the people have done? 2 lakhs 40 rupees, right? So what FI how does? FI does. Now please understand carefully. Whenever you see this kind of number, either offer side or bidder side on a particular price like this, on exact 14:55 there have big amount of number. If normal, if we can say 100 quantity, if normal usual quantity is 100, if you see more than 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, see 12,000 on a particular price. If you see this price on offer side, whenever 14:55 break, 14 buy, put an order of buy 1455.05, put order one lot, straightforward buy one lot. You can buy future or you can buy stocks, 100 quantity, 200 quantity, whatever you want, right? And put just 2-3 rupees stop loss. Example LNT. Put just 2-3 rupees stop loss. Buy what, how much, whatever quantity you want, you can buy. Whenever this quantity will eaten by this LNT, the stock will free fly, not fall, free fly, at least minimum 1%. So what is the current rate? 1455. 1455 into 1% means how much? 1455. So stock will minimum goes to 1469. See where the stock goes. Stock goes to almost 75 rupees, right? Whenever you see on offer side, right? You have to buy after this price rate, not on this price rate. You have to break this price rate. Put a stop loss market SLM order, right? Because whenever this break, it will quickly go within 5 minutes. You will get 1% return within 5 minutes. I'm saying within 5 minutes, you will get minimum 1% return. How much return? Minimum 1% return when you see this much of quantity on a particular side on offer side, right? Vice versa now comes to bidder side. If you see same amount of same quantity here, example on 1454.15 bidder side, now what will happen? The stock will free fall. You have to buy below price. Put a SLM order 1454.10 and put a sell order. Put a stop loss upside 3 rupees and sell. How many of you understand this strategy? And I'll explain you what next. Why this thing happen? Why this thing happen? I'll tell you. What FI does or what a big player does. They sell limited quantity in cash. This is cash, not FNO, right? It's cash spot price, right? This is spot price. This is spot price. What they do? They buy futures. They sell in spot. They want to show people and they want to make people feel that the stock will go down. But what they do? They buy futures and suddenly the stock will fly 1-2%. How much percent? If you have one lot, example 375 into 25 rupees, right? So you are getting 9,375 rupees within 5 minutes, right? So do you really think that FI have only one stock, one future lot? They have number of lots, right? What they do? They quickly go outside. They slowly sell small amount, right? They are making loss on spot and they are making profit on futures, right? They are selling very do you how many of you think that how many quantity FI have on their portfolio? Example, I am FI. How many of you think how much quantity I have in my portfolio? If I am example, I am a uh, mutual fund person, FI mutual fund person. How many of you think that how many quantity I do have in my portfolio? LNT. If I am a FI, how many of you think
How many quantity I must have? Ask how many quantity? What do you think? I have in my portfolio. Only 12,000 or how many quantity? Absolutely right, Deepak Patel. More than crores of quantity I have, right? Not in thousands, in crores. In crores I have quantity, but how many quantity I am selling? Just 5 to 10,000 rupees, or 5 to 10,000 quantity. Why? To make retail investor full. Now, before before disclosing the strategy to you, what maximum people say? Free fall, free downside, everything. But what happened?
But what happened? See, 25 rupees upside. Everyone got stuck. If I get very small loss here in spot, but how many profit they have done? 1% means 25 rupees. And do you really think that they bought on same price? They have bought more than this, right? Right? Is it a wonderful strategy? Is it a wonderful strategy? I have one more example. We usually do, and our members post on our group as well. A lot of time they'll post. See, 1454. See, 1470 again on LNT, same day. See, same day, right? People made good amount of money. See, people see FI hedging HDFC Bank. Who posted this? Someone have posted, right? See, 2253. Again, someone have posted. See, Reliance Industry 5388. Normal quantity is 40 40. See, quantity, big quantity 5388 135. What will happen? Like we have a big example because on that day one of our members have made almost 38 or 39K within 1 minute. That example I'll show you within 1 month, and I'll show you why I have posted in our channel as well. SBI on what date? Mm, because on that day I also missed this opportunity and stock will move. See what date? 31st of March. See SBI. What is rate? 311. Guys, first understand. Please don't ask question now. SBIN 311. On 311, see the quantity. How much quantity is there? Can someone tell me how much quantity is this? 52 lakhs 42,452. How much normal quantity? 3,000, 18K, 13K, 18,000, 23,000, 11,000, 14,000, right? But certainly 52 lakhs. Boss, what happened? 31,319. Let's see SBI. 31,3. See what happened? See what happened. I have posted in our channel as well. On what date? 12:20. It's a 12:20 time. 12:20, right? Or 12:30. What is going on? And I have posted in our Telegram as well. So you understood now this. So I save this photo.